Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete a page on Facebook. So first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook application. Click on your profile picture, click on this arrow and switch to the Facebook page that you want to delete. So I want to delete this page. So click here again and scroll down, click on settings and privacy, click on settings. So once you are in settings, scroll down and in the bottom you can see access and control. Click here and here you can see deactivation and deletion. Click on that. So I want to delete my page permanently. Click here, click on continue and you need to select the reason. So I spend too much time on Facebook. Click on continue and here you simply need to click on continue again. Here you need to add the password of your main profile and click on continue, and after that your Facebook page will be deleted. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.